everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing, testing, trying out the brand new Cosmetics BFF Palette. That is right, you guys. I got this from Ulta a couple of days ago, and I want to try it out and play with it. Now, I do believe it is in collaboration with two people, Alondra and Elsie. I do not know who these creators are as of right now, but I will be going on like their Instagram and YouTube to see if I can figure it out. But this palette, hello, it looks so freaking pretty. I'm so excited. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, and I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun reels and videos and posts and stuff over there, so if you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. But let's get into this review. Again, here is what the palette looks like, and it is just beautiful. This shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, literally everything just looks amazing. I am so excited. I've had the hiccups for like 15 minutes and they won't go away, and it's really making me mad. See? Alrighty, so my eyes are primed and set. I'm gonna go ahead and open this palette up here. I kind of already have an idea of what I want to try to do. I don't know, I wanted to try something a bit cool this time. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to go into the shade right here called Malibu. It's this beautiful kind of like lilac sky blue color. It's absolutely stunning. It's very powdery. It has a lot of kick up. If you can see that right there. It is very powdery. It's not very pigmented, but it's, I don't know if it's supposed to be, like it's meant to be like this baby blue color. But I mean, it's fine. It's not doing badly or anything. It's just very powdery, not crazy pigmented. It's like a super light blue, so I don't know if I can fault it for that. So there's that. It looks nice. I love the color. But next, I'm gonna go into the shade right here called Salvadorina. I'm gonna go into this one right here, and we are going to deepen up everything. And I hope this shade is pretty. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Ooh, now this one is pigmented, baby. Yes. Okay. So this one's super pigmented, which is very nice, but I'm also kind of scared because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, that worked out pretty good. Okay, done. Okay, great. Well, not done, but I'm done with that part. But that's awesome. So that deeper shade really did blend out very nicely. It was very easy to blend. It didn't like get all weird on me or anything, so that is very appreciated and very nice. Next, yeah, I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Virgo, and I'm gonna put that on the inner portion of my lids. Oh, it's very pretty. Maybe let me use some setting spray to see if it gets even prettier. Oh yeah. So even with setting spray, it got a lot more foiled and like pigmented. It's very nice. But I'm only gonna put this to like the mid part of my eye, and I'm not gonna put it right in the center here. I'm gonna leave that open for now, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Now I don't know how this is gonna work, because I don't know if I should use the shade You're Sick right here, or if I should use the shade Bogey, this one. I feel like this is it's pretty light. I feel like it's very air sign or water sign, but let's see, maybe I'll just do the You're Sick shade. Look at that. And that's gonna go right in the center, and then I am gonna bring it up just a tiny bit, like just bring it not super near the brow bone, but just up just a little. That's a really pretty shade. Well, that's just beautiful, ain't it? Oh my goodness. My country came out just then. Okay, so I'm obsessed with that. I love that. That's very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup really quick off camera. So give me like 10 minutes and I will come right back. Are you done? Yeah? You good girl. You can go. Okay. Don't jump. Hi, I'm back. I had to feed my dog, so yeah. Anyways, I went ahead and did my face makeup. For my face, I used my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, as always. And I used the Auric Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer in the shade Morganite. I love this stuff, it's so great. And I don't put foundation on top of this. I use this as foundation and it's very glowy and pretty, and I love that. As for bronzer, I used my one and only Ilia bronzer. Look at this. Hello? I think this is the most I've ever used one product. I love this bronzer so much. And then for blush, I used the Rare Beauty Melting Blush in the shade Nearly Neutral. And that is what that looks like. So I used that today, and yeah. Oh, and for highlight, I just used my Hourglass highlight right there. The Ambient Lighting Strobe Palette. So there's that. But I did want to do my lashes with you guys today because I also picked up the Benefit The Real Magnet. Why can I talk? Magnet Mascara. It's brand new and it apparently has insane reviews online, like crazy good reviews. So we're gonna try this out. Apparently the wand is like magnetized to lengthen your lashes. I don't know how that works, but we're gonna give it a shot. The brush looks like this. It's not my favorite kind of wand. However, it can still work. It's a pretty tacky formula. It's not super duper wet or dry. It's just very tacky. Like I can tell it's pretty sticky. So I don't know if that's like the magnets or whatever, but it's a pretty sticky formula. Like, I mean, it's okay. I don't know. I feel like I was expecting like sorcery or something. It's not that great. My, this one right here is, I still think is better. My Marc Jacobs Eyelash Mascara. I still think that's better than this. I'm gonna do one with this one, and I'm gonna do one with my Marc Jacobs, and then you guys can decide. Okay, so here is the eye with the Marc Jacobs, and here is the eye with the Benefit. So you can decide which one you like better. I think this is fine. I think I just like the formula more on the Marc Jacobs for some reason. I just feel like the Marc Jacobs makes my lashes a lot more black and a lot more like defined, if that makes any sense. They both look good. I still prefer the formula on the Marc Jacobs. I got mascara all over my eyelids, so I'm gonna go take that off. If there was an award for the person that could get the most mascara on their lids, it would 100% be me. I would win. Absolutely. So anyways, we're gonna go back into the BFF palette now, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash line. For that, I think I'm gonna go into this darker color one more time, the Salvadorina. I'm gonna go into that one more time. And then for inner corner highlight, you know, part of me, since I have such a blue look going on right now, part of me wants to go into this pink shade and just do like a pop of pink in the inner corner, but I don't know if that would like throw the entire look off. I could go into Blessed right here, which is more of a normal champagne, but I think the pop of pink would be pretty. Ah, good choice. I did the pink. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I love it. Okay. Alrighty, and last up, I'm gonna go ahead and do lips. I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipstick in the shade Amorosa today. It's a nice, pretty nude shade to go with my very fancy eye makeup. I'm also gonna go ahead and quickly use this lip line. Nope, I wanna use this one. This is Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Teddy. Okay, and now I think I'm just gonna quickly add a tiny little bit of gloss using the Rare Beauty Gloss Balm in this shade Nearly Neutral. I love that balm so much. It's so nice. Anyways, you guys, this is the completed look using the brand new BH Cosmetics BFF palette. I have to say, I am super duper impressed with this palette. I really, really like it. I know that first blue shade was a little bit but I still think it worked really well, and the shimmers are beautiful. That dark shade on the outer corner is so nice. The palette is stunning. It is really, really beautiful. So if you haven't picked this up yet, I would highly recommend it because I think BH Cosmetics is a great brand in general, and they're really affordable. So I give this palette a total A. I think it was super good, and yeah, if you are in the market for something like this, or if you wanted to try it out, because this has a lot of options. It has a lot of neutral tones for you to do like everyday looks with, and it also has a lot of fun, adventurous colors for you to play around with too. And then this right here, I have to keep trying this. I don't really know much. I don't know how I feel about it. It looks alright. I just don't think it's any better than my Marc Jacobs, but it is cheaper than the Marc Jacobs, I think. So I guess it's really up to you. It's not my favorite thing. It is good. Like, I do think it's fine. I just really love the Marc Jacobs, guys. I'm pretty biased. Anyways, but yeah, that's the video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!